this is Val with This Is How You Do It. And the bikers are coming in to our get together. And y'all, we just getting started, and and this many have already showed up, and I'll let you see more later. Y'all, this Val with This Is How You Do It. I forgot to turn the camera on when it was hopping. Now I'm cleaning up. I'm cleaning up. And I just want to close out my video. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. And we had a glorious time. Wish you were here. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.